Broken Volvo seatbelt buttons. There are many things Volvo did well in the 90s, but these are not among them. By now, they usually look like this. But there are solutions, and I will show you some. I have some 3D printers, so first I tried to find a design online, which I actually did, but it was terrible. It was edgy, the dimensions weren't okay, it was not good. So I ended up designing my own. And now I will show you how to change it and where you can get it. Subscribe! The things you will need. Your seatbelt buckle with the old button or without. It can be in the car. You can do it like that also. I changed many in cars. A tiny flathead screwdriver. A new button. And a spring. I will put the specs of the spring in the description. Let's start. First you need to remove the old button. Just reach in with the tiny flathead screwdriver on the inside of the button. Flip it outside and up. And then the other side. Put your finger above the button because the spring and also the old button might fly away because of the tension of the spring. And it's removed. Now put the old or the new spring to its place. And push the new button in place. Try to do it parallelly. Push it until it clicks. And you are done. But where can you get a new button? You can purchase one from me. I'm selling them on eBay. You will find a link in the description. If you buy it from me and you buy more than one, you get a serious multi-buy discount. And you also get the springs with the buttons. And you also get +1 button. So if you order 1, you get 2. If you order 3, you get 4. You get 1+. Because of the margin of error, there is a slight risk that you break one. So I don't want to send you another and I don't want you to be unhappy. So I send you a +1. Also, if you order at least 4 buttons, you can ask for a custom caption free of charge or custom color. So this is how you can buy it from me. You can also buy the OEM version from Volvo. I will put the product number and a link in the description. And you can also try to 3D print your own. There are many designs online, on Cults, on Thingy or on Yagi. Just look for Volvo seatbelt button. Use at least ABS or ASA plastic because of the high inside temperature of the car during summer. Thanks for watching. Check the description. There are links and everything. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Oh, one more thing. If you are a Saab person and this looks familiar to you, hit me with a message, and if it's broken, hit me with a message. I'm sending you one for free because I'm not sure if it's good for Saabs. If it's good, then we are both happy. You get it free and I can sell it to Saab people also. Bye.